Hello everyone and welcome. In this video we will take a closer look to the IRMO mobile infrared shrinking device. We will go through the technical specifications of the unit, we will show you how to set up the device, how to create a program, and at the end we will show you an example where we shrink a solder sleeve. But first, let me explain you the difference between our infrared technology and the traditional way of shrinking like a heat gun. Instead of heating up the area where the sleeve gets shrunken, we are sending infrared radiation waves that the sleeve will absorb. This means that with our technology, no preheating is required and the shrinking time in general is much faster than the traditional way. Thanks to our infrared control unit, we are able to control the process. We can set up the duration of the process and the power of the infrared radiation, which gives us the following benefits. First, the shrinking quality is not depending to the operator skills. Secondly, we have a high reproducible process. And the last one, we have a low energy consumption that is approximately 4 times less than a traditional sleeve shrinking equipment. Other advantages of our infrared shrinking technology is that it's a noiseless process, and because we are not creating an airstream like a heat gun, we are not blowing away the sleeves. With our infrared equipment, we can handle a broad range of sleeves, from standard sleeves to sleeves with glue or solder sleeves, out of different industries like automotive, aerospace or military. Now, let's take a closer look to our mobile infrared shrinking device. Standard, it has a shrinking area of 35 mm, but we can also offer this unit with a smaller head of 23 mm. At the top, we have an opening of 60 mm and the distance between the glass and the reflector in the middle of the shrinking area is 27 mm. On top of the device, we have a button to activate the shrinking process, which is useful when you are working, for example, on a cable harness on a board. The device can also be used as a desktop solution thanks to the included holder where you can lay in the unit. In this setup, we recommend to use the optional foot pedal to activate the shrink process so the operator has his 2 hands free for operation. To set up the device, let us take a look to the equipment we have. At the table we have our mobile infrared unit, the control unit, a power cord and optionally a foot pedal. First you connect the infrared unit to the controller. If you have a foot pedal as an option, you connect the foot pedal next. Then the power supply, and you just have to turn on the device and wait until the controller is booted up. When the device is turned on and the device is new, the first thing you need to do is create a program. To create a new program, you need to press and hold one of the 10 foreseen program locations for 1 second. If this is done, the program location will open and you will be able to fill in the program name, the power of the lamp, and the duration of the process. If you don't know yet how much power and time is needed to shrink the application, you can use the following test mode. By activating the button, you are able to shrink as long as the foot pedal or the button on top of the device is triggered. From the moment you release the foot pedal, the time will be shown on the screen. In this way, you are able to search and fine-tune the best parameters for your application. Last but not least, an example of using the device can be seen in the next video where we shrink a solder sleeve.